Managing a restaurant involves complex financial tracking, inventory management, workforce scheduling, and operational efficiency. Traditional accounting and management tools often lack the specialized features needed to handle the unique challenges of the restaurant industry, leading to inefficiencies, lost profits, and administrative headaches. Restaurant 365 is a cloud based, all in one restaurant management software designed specifically for restaurant operators. It integrates accounting, inventory, payroll, scheduling, and reporting into a single platform, helping restaurants streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve financial performance. Whether you run a single location or a multi unit franchise, Restaurant 365 offers real time insights and automation tools to simplify management and boost profitability. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Restaurant 365 and explain why it is an essential tool for modern restaurant businesses. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its automated restaurant accounting. Restaurant 365 eliminates manual bookkeeping by integrating directly with POS systems, bank accounts, and payroll services. It automates financial reporting, expense tracking, and accounts payable, ensuring accurate and up to date financial data. This helps restaurant owners and managers save time on manual accounting, reduce errors, and gain clear financial visibility to make better business decisions. Another key feature is the real time inventory management. The platform provides detailed inventory tracking, helping restaurants monitor ingredient usage, reduce waste, and control food costs. Restaurant 365 automatically updates stock levels based on sales and vendor deliveries, making inventory management seamless. Restaurants can optimize ingredient purchasing, prevent stock shortages, and minimize food waste, ultimately increasing profitability. Another key feature is the integrated payroll and employee scheduling. Restaurant 365 simplifies payroll processing and labor cost management by integrating scheduling and timesheets. Managers can create optimized employee schedules, track labor costs in real time, and automate payroll processing based on actual work hours. This reduces manual payroll errors, improves workforce efficiency, and ensures compliance with labor laws, helping restaurants control labor expenses effectively. Another key feature is the seamless POS system integration. Restaurant 365 connects with popular point of sale or POS systems like Toast, Square, Clover, and others, automatically syncing sales data, labor costs, and inventory usage. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reconciliations. The real-time syncing of sales and expense data provides restaurant operators with accurate financial insights, making it easier to track profitability and control costs. Another key feature is the recipe costing and menu profitability analysis. With Restaurant 365, restaurants can analyze menu item costs and profitability based on real-time ingredient prices. The platform helps determine which menu items generate the most profit and where cost adjustments are needed. By optimizing menu pricing and reducing food costs, restaurants can increase profit margins while maintaining quality. Another key feature is the mobile access and cloud based convenience. Restaurant365 is a fully cloud based platform that allows owners and managers to access financial reports, inventory data, and scheduling tools from any device. The mobile friendly interface ensures that key decision makers can manage restaurant operations on the go. The ability to monitor financial performance, approve invoices, and track labor costs from anywhere improves efficiency and ensures that managers stay in control of restaurant operations at all times. So, why is Restaurant 365 a great choice? Restaurant 365 is more than just an accounting tool. It's a complete restaurant management solution designed to reduce inefficiencies, improve financial control, and enhance overall profitability. Unlike generic accounting or inventory software, Restaurant 365 caters specifically to the restaurant industry, providing seamless integration with POS systems, payroll services, and vendor management tools. By combining accounting, inventory, payroll, and reporting into one unified platform, Restaurant 365 reduces the complexity of managing a restaurant business, helping operators save time, cut costs, and make informed financial decisions. So, whether you operate a single location restaurant or a multi unit chain, the platform's automation, real time insights, and cloud based access allow for better operational efficiency and improved profitability. So basically, Restaurant 365 is an essential tool for restaurant owners and managers looking to simplify operations, gain financial control, and increase profitability. With its automated accounting, real time inventory tracking, integrated payroll, and advanced reporting, it provides everything needed to run a restaurant successfully. So if you're looking to streamline restaurant management, optimize costs, and enhance business efficiency, Restaurant 365 is the perfect solution. So start using Restaurant 365 today and take your restaurant operations to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.